In this lecture, you will understand the impact of backlinks with keyword in anchor text on your search rankings. This is a risky SEO factor. If Google considers your backlinks with keyword in anchor text as unnatural, then your search rankings will reduce even from the current level, as Penguin algorithm would kick in. Google has taken several steps to combat unnatural link building. This SEO factor is seen as one such factor. In 2014, many websites got hit by Penguin 3.0 rollout and lost search rankings. On average, 20% of backlinks still have keyword in anchor text. This figure was 26% in 2015 and 29% in 2014. So, the percentage of links with keyword as anchor word continues to decline. If you're building backlinks now, or if you're going to build, then think long term. In the next 1 to 2 years, almost 90% of backlinks won't have keywords in it. So, it's better to be safe than to lose all your search traffic. Don't worry about the natural backlinks that your users or customers share or build with keyword as anchor text. Natural backlinks are not an issue here. Google knows you a lot better than you actually think it does. So one day or other, you will get caught if you build backlinks unnaturally. On the other side, domain name or brand name in anchor text is increasing every year. The main reason is brand and URL links are natural, whereas keyword links are not, in most cases. Because in the current world, people just share the URL of homepage or the interior page directly. They don't spend time in writing HTML tags with attributes and anchor words. I ended the last lecture with a question. That is, website A and B deals with same keyword or topic. Website A has got a backlink with its keyword as anchor word. Website B has got a backlink with its brand name as anchor word. Which one would rank higher? Neglecting all other variables, website A would rank higher as of now. But in 12 to 18 months, website A will lose that advantage. At that time, website B and A will rank equally, which means the ranking will be decided based on other factors. To conclude, if there's a natural chance of getting a backlink with your entire post or page title as anchor word, you can make use of that. In all other cases, use your domain name or brand name as anchor word, which will look more natural to the eyes of Google. In the next lecture, let's see the importance of backlinks from news sites in search engine rankings.